Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob, Rob's Nerdy Knives. We got a cool unboxing. This is part 2 of part 4 unboxing. Something loaned to me by Andrew. We're going to get a chance to look at this. I kind of have an idea what this is. I didn't really open it yet, but I wanted to open it with you right now. All right, this is a Demko knife, a custom Demko knife. So I'm going to guess what this might possibly be. I think this might be the one that I was hoping to find out at Blade Show just to take a look at. Here we go. Oh my gosh. It is a XXX. 3XL. It's the big one. It's like the size I wear, pretty much. So I'm going to move this over here. Beautiful case. You got a little patch as well. All right, here we go. It's ridiculous. Holy cow. Holy cow. Now you can order these. It is a custom knife, but you can absolutely order these guys. Wow. All right, so here we go. Holy smokes. That is a big blade. Look at the size of that blade. You can slow roll it. Can you reverse flick it? You can absolutely reverse flick it. And you can use the shark lock. Man, this thing is humongous. There's your clip right there. Look at the size of this thing. This thing is huge. All right, so this is the 3X. Now, I just have to, for the sake of an AD20 Slim. This is this. I don't have an AD20.5 or a Nano Shark anymore. I've given those away or sold them. But this is a USA made one. But this is the smaller version. This is the 3XL. This is the Slim. Obviously, much thinner, as you can see. Absolutely much thinner. Wow. Definitely has similar pins, right? You still got the little, there you got, this is the milling pattern. These are custom scales. These are the Rockscale Design scales. They have a little better cutout. They are linerless. I don't know if this looks like it's almost linerless. Is it linerless? I think it is. Wow. Did he go linerless on these guys? He did. Okay. And what is this? I think it says on here 3V blade steel. So tough steel. Means it'll retain its edge. It's got a nice long edge. Pretty even on there. Look at that. Nice stone wash. Look at the size of that blade. That is huge. We've just for fun, we have to weigh this. This is worth seeing how much this guy weighs. We just gotta. Okay, so make sure we're zero. So here's a regular AD20 with titanium scales on here. This is linerless, 5.9 ounces. So I'm gonna guess this is 9 or 10 ounces. 10.7 ounces. Whoa! So to get just to get an idea. Here we have an old Donoff knife. It's a third of the weight. A third of the weight. Here's a Spyderco Para 3. Even less. Quarter of the weight. Well, a third of the weight. So, I mean, definitely much lighter. Again, this is over half a pound. Almost 3/4 of a pound. This thing is big. It is ridiculously huge. All right, for fun. Now, this is not a small knife here. This is a kind of a big boy, but let's measure the AD20 Slim. It is 8 and 5/8 of an inch. This guy right here is 9 and 5/8 of an inch. 9 and 5/8 of an inch. The handle area inside here is about 3 3/4. If you do the choke up for here to here, you get about 4.5. Inside here, you've got 4 1/4. If you do choke up, you've got 5 inches. All right, the blade on this guy is 3 5/8. The blade on this guy is 4 1/4. Cutting length, 4 inches. Cutting length, 3.5. So obviously both of these guys, you can call it a clip point, drop point. I mean, this might well be called a clip point. I don't know. It is straight down here. Got the jimping on here. You can definitely choke up, right? Still really enjoy this, but this is a big boy. Now, we have to get a feel for how thick this blade is. Let me grab my caliber. All right, so this one's 3V. This one here is in S90V. I'm gonna get my measurement on this. This is a slim, it's supposed to be a slimmer blade, so we want it thinner. It's 130th of an inch. What are we dealing with here? 248, let's try one more time. 249 thousandths of an inch. It's about a quarter of an inch thick. Quarter of an inch thick of blade steel. That's a lot of steel. That is a big boy. I've got a pretty good presentation on this one, right? But then this one right here, this one, man, you can, I don't know, you can do some serious damage. That weight relief on the inside is really good. Big giant standoffs back here. It does look like it's linerless to make it just a little bit thinner, which is surprising. But man, that blade, wow, it is absolutely balanced right there. That's crazy. So that right there, why it doesn't feel awkward, it feels pretty balanced. That's crazy. Wow. Okay. Yeah, this is not something I don't think I would ever own or buy or carry, but it is cool to check out. This is absolutely insanely, ridiculously huge. This is a paperweight. The thing about this knife is if you can't get it out, you can't use it, you can always throw it. It'll take someone out, I promise you. This has multi-facets use, right? And you can absolutely reverse flick that. Yeah, I can even do it without having to do a little wrist flick, right? Okay, so let's do it left-handed. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, can I reverse flick it? I can. Now, because of the way the lock is set up, you know, you can reverse flick this. I mean, reverse the clip, so left hand, right hand, tip up, absolutely works. Everything about this just screams, I'm a giant. I mean, this thing is huge. Let's take a look at it. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Barely can get that blade on, but traditional looking Demco knife blade, thumb studs, thumb hole, nice cutting geometry, flat grind. We've got finger choil up here. You've got the scale. I don't know if I can get the whole scale. I'm gonna have to drop it down to get the whole scale on in the camera. That is huge, huge. Got that typical, not very aggressive, but definitely texture you can get some grip on, texture on here. So that's really cool. You do have the lock right here, the shock lock. It's pretty big, right? And then you've got the two standoffs back here. Well, actually three, I guess, technically, three. You have a place for your lanyard through the clip as well, so obviously you can do that. Traditional clip. Now, I think that's a steel clip. Yeah, it's a steel clip. The clip that I have on my Demco over here, this is a Lynch Northwest. It's titanium. I prefer titanium clips because they don't bend as much. All right, then you can see the weight relief on the inside, on both sides, right? Which is really cool. You can see the blade over here, and then the back of the scale over here with the clip. And of course, there's the I'm gonna say it's a T10 or T15, I forget what it is. But there's a lock in there, and then you see the 3X right there. Does it say it on here? No. But it does say the steel right there. Steel says it right there, 20 CV. So that means the steel should be right here. Yeah, CPM 3V, right? So you definitely see that. Very cool blade. Very interesting. I do believe this is linerless. I'm pretty sure. I don't see a liner on the inside. So that's kind of neat. Jimping, very aggressive up here. Very thick blade all the way to the tip. There's nothing small about this knife whatsoever, but it is all kinds of crazy good. So, I mean, this is cool. It's cool to check out. I do appreciate the opportunity at least to get to handle this. I think that's really neat. Let me do another picture because I had the other knife in the view. I'm trying to create my thumbnail right for the unboxing. It is a big boy. It is massively big. It's huge. I mean, I get it. If I had just money to blow and unlimited funds, this would be a fun knife to have at the table, you know, my desk, just to open knives with. It would be a great paperweight for the huge desk. This would be fun for just that alone. But it's a big boy. It's a big boy. Really, really cool knife to get to check out. I will do a review on this because these are going to be available. They're going to sell them. It is absolutely something that you can buy and order at some point. I mean, I don't know how available they're going to be, but I'm sure more people are going to want this. It's a Demco. It's a shark lock. It's huge. It's big. It's bold. It's beautiful, right? It is all that and more. But certainly a big piece of steel and a big piece of titanium here. Really, really cool. Thank you so much for letting me get to check this out. I get the allure. If you like and you have gigantic hands, you want a big knife, here you go, right here. This should work for you. It is nothing small about this knife. Nothing small at all about this knife. It is gargantuan. All right. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, entertaining, fun, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the channel, it does help out. I know we ask to do that, but it really does help out. It allows the channel grow, produce more content, do more things ultimately for you guys. Big shout out, big thank you to all the folks out there watching the videos, enjoying the content. I appreciate you so much. If you haven't already, consider hitting that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to my channel members. I sure do appreciate you so very much. You guys are amazing. You do two things. You encourage me, so thank you. Secondly, because of your generous support, you allow me to do things way sooner than I thought I could. For instance, we can do once a week budget banger giveaways. I know lately you guys have been so generous with giving me knives for that, so thank you. But I still got to cover the cost of shipping. Got to get to for the milestone giveaways. I got to cover that. There's loan knives that I got to ship back. So I just really appreciate you guys, channel members, for being there and just helping the channel so much. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Small way for me to say thank you to you guys. I want to do first thing is all brand new channel members. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a little handwritten note. I still want to keep doing that as long as I possibly can. Secondly, all channel members are eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we do a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in a month we'll have 2 giveaways. Members, you're eligible for both. You can enter both. You could win both. Right? And I always try to make sure that members giveaway is something a little bit nicer than a budget banger. Something hopefully you'd enjoy winning as a prize or giving as a gift. This is a small way for me to say thank you. If some of you guys are interested in that, you'd say, hey, how can I be part of that? There is a link down below in the description. I have 3 different tiers for this channel. Would love to have you in any of those, but don't feel pressured to do it. Don't do it if you do. But if you choose to do so, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Some of you guys are going to say, well, what about the kazoo salute? What about the emojis that you can use here and on the live stream? What about the 1 year, 2 year anniversary exclusive content? Yes, there's more stuff, always more stuff to just say thank you. Never enough, but always more stuff for me to just let you know how much I appreciate you and how grateful I am. So thank you. Some of you guys, yeah. Also, if you haven't already, I also have an Instagram page. Maybe go check me out at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.